Probably one of my biggest hauls yet. Hello guys, it has been quite some time since I've uploaded a video. I do apologize for that. Lately, life has just been so busy, and also my TikTok has been gaining a decent amount of traction, so I have been putting some more energy into TikTok more than YouTube. But I don't want to forget about you guys, because YouTube is and will forever be my favorite platform to post on. That being said, I'm so excited because I gained some traction on TikTok. I did have a couple of brands reach out to me and send me some PR, and this PR was not sent to me for YouTube, it was sent for TikTok. However, I wanted to share this PR with you guys because, what can I say? I just love YouTube and I always will. I got an order from the one and only Edikted. I'm so excited. Today we are going to be doing a try-on haul. I'm so excited to see what everything I picked out looks like on, and yeah, with that being said, let's get into the haul. I got quite a few things, so this is actually going to be probably one of my biggest hauls yet. First, I'm gonna start off with all of the tops that I got. Starting off strong, I got this blue colored tank top. It's just a complete basic cropped tank, and it has these little buttons in the front. I don't have any tanks that have those buttons, but most of all, you guys know me. I mean, you can see my room. Blue is definitely my favorite color, so I wanted to get some more fun blue color tank tops, and this is a perfect basic to do just that. Going along with the blue color scheme, I got another just basic tank top, but this one is in navy blue. And something that I absolutely love about this tank top is I just noticed it has adjustable straps. And being 5'1", I find that a lot of tops for me are very large in the strap and usually don't fit my body correctly. So I always appreciate when brands include adjustable straps, even when it's just a tank top. Next up, we have just another basic tank top, this time in white. I like that this one has a thicker lining around the tank. Sometimes I just like the way that looks. It looks a little bit more classy, I guess. So yeah, this one is super simple, again, very cute. And lastly, for the tops, not including sweaters, crop top. This one is definitely more of a going out top, but I also think that it would look so cute on just a fancy fall activity day with a cute little skirt and some stockings. I just have a vision in my head, so hopefully it comes to life the way I like it. But if all else fails, this is the perfect going out top, and I have really been slacking on going out tops. And I also really like the material of this one. It almost feels like a bathing suit, and yeah, I wasn't expecting that, but I'm very excited that it's like that. And now, moving on, we are going to go through all of the sweaters that I got. Firstly, we have this really cute white off-the-shoulder sweater. I think it's a little cropped as well. It might go down to my waist. I'm not entirely sure. Really liked the look of this. I am huge on off-the-shoulder tops. I just think it's so flattering. I've been trying to order more off-the-shoulder items. Decided to choose that sweater. Next, we have another navy blue item. Surprise, surprise! Another off-the-shoulder top. And this one is definitely more of your typical sweater material rather than the ribbed material that the white shirt was. So I'm excited about that because I think not only will this keep me warm in the fall, but it will also be a perfect sweater for the winter to stay warm, but also a little off the shoulder action will be cute. Lastly, for sweaters, we have this beautiful pastel buttery colored cardigan. I don't really have any cardigans at all, so I was very excited that there was a cardigan option because I think cardigans are always a good thing to have because you can wear a tank top in the fall or the winter and still stay warm by just throwing a cardigan over it, and it also still looks cute. Something I also noticed about this cardigan that I really liked, that it has the balloon sleeve. I don't know if there's an official name for it, but that's what I'm gonna call it today. And I love the way balloon sleeves look. I just think so cute and something that I definitely wanted. Now we're going to be moving on to bottoms. I got 3 different bottoms. Have this adorable brown colored skirt. Might be a micro skirt, but it's a skirt, and that is huge for me because I don't know why whenever I wear skirts I just get super uncomfortable because I feel very exposed even when I'm not. Skirts are a perfect solution for this problem because you feel secure in the skirt. I think it'll be really cute paired with an oversized sweater, and I'm very excited to have it because I don't really have many cute skirts for the fall, so I think this is going to be a great outfit. Next, I got another pastel item, little cozy blue short that actually, now that I'm thinking about it, matched this blue tank top that I got perfectly, so I can wear that as a set, which is a bonus. I did not do that on purpose. 99% of my days, I'm just laying around my room lounging, so I wanted to get some cute lounge clothes, so I feel a little bit less of a blob. And last but not least for this haul, I'm very excited about this item, drawstring micro skirt. I have seen this so many times on social media and I just thought it looked really comfortable. Just another thing for my cozy lounging days that I'm so excited to wear. Alright guys, so that is officially all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little Edikted try-on haul, and if you did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and comment down below some other brands that you would like to see me try on. And as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you next video. Bye!